Hey bright sky, how are you doing on this ridiculously windy day? Yeah, I know, it's a lot today. It is a lot. Who else have we got today? There's Sandy down by the water. Hi Sandy. How's it going? Lots of Egyptians and Canadians here today. It's a very international duck meet.